Hello guys, and welcome to the first video ever on this channel. Today we're going to be trying to boot up a Windows 98 computer. And I guess we should... Now, before you say anything about the audio, I just want to say I did not record this on this camera, and this camera's audio probably sounds a lot better, but I use this camera because it's the easier camera to use to convert video. Next time I'll definitely use this camera until I get a new camera, and hopefully it will sound a lot better. And I know this is my first video, but I just wanted to say clear that I didn't think the inboard camera audio on this would be that bad, so just to let you know. So I pretty much got everything connected. I currently have this keyboard connected and it's my normal gaming keyboard. I'm not sure if that's gonna work on this computer, especially in the BIOS, but we can always go check. And as you can also see, we also do have all the keyboard, got a VGA cable connected into my monitor. And hopefully will boot up. If everything's working correctly, this should boot up. I also got power connected. Thing's actually quieter than Preston's computer. Now, turn this on. This should. You've got system fan not detected. F2. Okay, so out with that. This one doesn't work. It doesn't get noticed by the BIOS. In with a really old. If we were to just plug that in, then do F1. I'm getting new messages. This is really old. Oh, yeah. This will be interesting to see. Okay, this thing is glitching out in terms of focus right now. Oh, looks like we can get Windows XP on this thing. We might actually be able to run some games. Okay, this portion of the setup program prepares Microsoft R Windows XP to run on your computer. To set up XP now, press enter. I guess we need to set up that. So I don't find any hard disk drives installed on your computer. Make sure any hard disk drives are powered on and properly connected. Ooh. This is what really frustrates me about some of these. I don't know how to get into this computer. To actually be able to check to see if storage drives are plugged in and whatnot. I don't know how to get in. There's no simple solution. Oh, and by the way, there is also 2 drives in here. So, unless they're not plugged in or they're already broken, wouldn't surprise me. To get in to the full computer. I got into this part, pretty simple, but I mean, and whoever put this thing on last, yeah, we got some progress. Finally figured out how this works, and it's really stupid. There's this little latch here once you take the thing off. This entire thing has like some release system on it, and I guess if I can get a good view of this. So if I press this, these things move. All of them move at once, and then that's what kind of takes these out here, and that's what takes it off. Stupid, but I guess what was I gonna do? And now I got it on its side, and it looks to me like the are plugged in. Looks like, I think these are power cords, I do believe it, because I think I see those going into the power supply. I don't think this is supposed to be crooked like that. I think it's just the way how it is. I don't know if these things actually power and how, if these things actually work. These actually are data cables, it looks like. I don't know if the data cables need some other type of power. Maybe these things don't even go. Oh, these are just Molex cables. I guess they still use Molex back then. The power supply works because the computer can turn on. I just don't know how good the power supply is. It's interesting just to see how far we've come in such a short amount of time to see all these things, but still, I don't know. And these things just might be dead. If it's not noticing it, these drives could just be dead. I'm gonna need a screwdriver to take those out. I don't have one at the moment, which I should, but I don't. It's either that or it looks like there's a. It looks like it looks like they're plugged in to the motherboard. So it looks like they're getting some type of connection. Might have been out while I was trying to figure stuff out. Okay. I'm gonna grab the Molex connectors. I think these gotta be plugged in. Well, they're already plugged into the motherboard because this is not a motherboard that has that feature to plug them in and out like mine does. They're either plugged in or they're not. They're either on the power supply and plugged in, or they're not on the power supply and not plugged in. So I'm just gonna plug both of these in. Oh, that's one big memory stick. Powering up the computer. Okay. I can care less. Continue. Error loading OS.